the fuck are you doing, dude? What the fuck was that? And now he's going, okay. Alrighty, okay. What's your fucking problem, asshole? You caused it. Or he's going that way. Alright, whatever. Okay, the brake lights and the turn signals we're in the red light. Turn signals and the brake lights in the bumper are stupid. Hi, how you doing? I think he cut her off. No, wait. There's no need for that. Is that a cutoff? Left turn from the right lane. Uh-oh. There we go. Oh, I didn't expect that to happen at all. Cut off. Left turn done. That was red, you asshole. What the fuck? Could you move? Come on. Move it. Move it. Move it. Move it. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. Move your ass, goose. Quack, 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 quack. Damn birds. Did you just cut him off? Yeah, you did. With his blinkers on, he's not really turning. We're in the red, we're in the red. Left guy. Yeehaw. Let's see. No turn on red during school hours, 7 a.m. to 3:30 p.m. So, yeah, those were two illegal turns on red. Stop before you turn, especially when there are cars coming. Not gonna let me in? Thank you. Scumbag. Mill work. Oh, the lane was open. You could have, moved over. you just make an illegal U-turn? Cut off. Hello. 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 Would have been different if you were turning left, but you weren't. Hey, you have a red light, you! Subutard. Don't. Hello, I'm here. I'm here. Thank the out of you. No one behind me. Thank you. Totally necessary, Joe. Thank you. Prick. Exit regret. No about me. Yes! Dude, don't fucking hit me. Jesus Christ.